Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is another day. Alright, so I went ahead and swapped out the motor mount down the bottom. I have the carburetor mounted and everything. It's not tight just yet. I also have the fuel line running to the tank up here. And then right now I'm about to work on the clutch. I'm about to swap out the clutch pads and everything like that before I start assembling everything else. I have the thumb throttle right here in this bag. And these are the clutch pads, as you can see. These are really good. I don't know. They burn out, but they're like 10 bucks or whatever. Start by undoing my cover, clutch cover. Slide that out the way for right now. Alright, so you have, this is a custom CNC plate, clutch plate. This is the clutch pads. As you can see, I have to take out each and every one and just replace them. And I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Alright, so I have all the clutch pads in here. And now I'm about to put the plate and everything back on. Start off with the spring. Now you have the clutch plate, which goes on there like so. And now you take the little, actually no, you take the nut, put this on, you start screwing it on. Alright, so I have the throttle hooked up right now, and I also have the kill switch hooked up as well. The kill switch is not routed yet, but I'm actually about to route that now. That should only take like 2 seconds. Right now I'm putting on the carb. This is my, I want to cut this cable. This is my brake cable for the rear brakes. Alright, so this is the bike that I pretty much have. I have the spark plug on, I have the carburetor on, no filter for right now. I haven't put gas in it yet. You can see I have my old pipe on there because the new one doesn't fit because of the clearance of the tire. But I'm going to put gas in it really quick. I only have a little bit of gas, I'm not putting a lot. And hopefully it doesn't leak. Not putting a lot, only a little bit, because it's still cold as shit outside. But tires are bald on the front. Fucking gosh. Hey yo. That's a non-existent. Don't put fucking gas. I ran out of gas. As y'all pretty much saw, the bike runs. No really issues. I do have to dial on the idle a little bit and some other stuff, but I had to switch CDIs, but I am going to go back to using this CDI. There was nothing wrong with the CDI. It was all this little valve right here that was giving me problems with starting. But I insert like an iPhone footage of running. But that's going to do it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. Peace.
Perfect.